Hello lovelies, this is Tips with Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? In today's video, we are going to be looking at some health benefits of melon, which is also known as cantaloupe, apples, and also some Greek yogurt in our smoothies. But before we get started, kindly smash on the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done that. Also, feel free to share this video to your family and friends, okay? So with that being said, let's get straight into the video.
This is why we need to eat cantaloupe every day. What is cantaloupe? Cantaloupe is originated from South Asia to Africa. Scientific name of cantaloupe is Cucumis melowar cantaloupensis. Cantaloupe, also known as muskmelon. It belongs to Cucurbitaceae family. Other names of cantaloupe is muskmelon, rockmelon, sweet melon, and spanspec. It is grown widely in California as well as throughout Europe. Natural facts of cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is rich in many nutrients that provide various health benefits. It contains carbohydrates, proteins, water. Vitamin in cantaloupe include vitamin A, beta-carotene, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin B9, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Health benefits of cantaloupe. There are many health benefits by adding cantaloupe in your diet. Asthma. The risk of developing asthma are lower in people who consume high amount of certain nutrients. One of these nutrients is beta-carotene found in yellow and orange fruits. Vitamin C is another important nutrient that may protect against asthma and found in abundance in cantaloupe as well as citrus and tropical fruits. Prevents cancer. Cantaloupe helps in prevention of cancer and eradication of free radicals.
Let's take a look at some of the health benefits of apples. Number 1, polyphenols. Apples are high in polyphenols, which function as antioxidants. These polyphenols are found in both the skin of the apple as well as the meat. So to get the greatest amount of benefits, eat the skin of the apple as well. All of these benefits mean that apples may mitigate the effects of asthma and Alzheimer's disease, whilst assisting weight management, bone health, pulmonary function, and gastrointestinal protection.
There are different types of yogurt in the market, but the one that has gained huge popularity in recent years is Greek yogurt. What makes Greek yogurt different from other types of yogurt is its nutritional profile. It's full of protein, calcium, probiotics, vitamin B12, and potassium. Also, it contains less lactose than other dairy products. During the process of making Greek yogurt, excess water and lactose are drained out. This results in a creamy, rich yogurt with a nice tart taste. You should eat at least a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt on a daily basis.
Here my cantaloupe smoothie is ready. Not only low in calories and fats, but also high in essential vitamins, minerals, and water contents. Lest I forget, do you know that cantaloupe contains 90% of water? This makes it a great taste quenching snack. Thank you all for watching today's video. Feel free to share, give it a thumbs up. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye bye.